We are pleased to show you the 2014 3500. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, front suspension classification, solid live axle, power brakes, braking assist, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.